It has new pistons, rings, and liners. The head faced, the valve ground. New rod bearings, new main bearings, new alternator, rebuilt starter, new pressure plate, clutch plate, new throwout bearing, flywheel, resurfaced. New hoses, radiator flushed, new wiring harness, new clutch, safety switch, needs insulation. That's in a sack here. New muffler, battery's good, it's 2 years old. New manifold, needs left brake. The right one brake works, one don't. This is a very honest neighbor and a good neighbor. Block was boiled out. The head rebuilt by Jim's Engine Shop. New seat, steering wheel, all gauges and switches. New starter, solenoid. By God, he spent a lot on this thing. It's got your one-reel cultivators. The tires looks real good. This is a kit here, right here, in here to rebuild the safety switch. Yeah. This is a new safety switch for it. Okay, back here in the rear, we have, there's your toolbox for it. There's your rear hitch, drawbar. This is for a safety sign. Comes on, I don't know where it goes, but it goes with it. Okay, put that back in there. Where's Jeff Tack? Pick that up over there. Did you get some more towels out? Here's